Hello folks, hope everyone's well. Welcome to the channel. So this video was a cat netting installation in a courtyard for a lady who had two beautiful Maine Coon cats, which incidentally I always thought that Maine Coon cats were from Manchester, but apparently they're from Maine in New England. So this lady bought this cat netting system, and I had to look through the video and that to see how to fit it into her courtyard. She was quoted quite a lot of money by the company themselves to install this, so I sort of took it on for her. Now, I mean, halfway through the job, I must admit I did find it very, very difficult. It was doing my head in, really. The netting, I could. It was mainly because I couldn't get the netting neat. The corner brackets that came in at 45 degrees, obviously at 45 they don't protrude as much. So, and as you pull the netting tight, it had to be tight. Folding it around those corners, I couldn't get it neat, and it was literally doing my head in. I mean, it was a very sunny day. Maybe I had heat stroke or something, I don't know. But it does throw up the issue that I would say that I'm a very hard-working person, but my fundamental state is that of doing absolutely nothing and being lazy. So this sort of work is so stimulating to me that I have to fight that fundamental state of being lazy. And I mean, sometimes it wins, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes I resort to just looking at my phone and you know, going into a TikTok rabbit hole. And so it's a constant battle. It really is. I mean, when you need to go to your van, it's like a huge insurmountable problem. I couldn't go to my van, it's far too far away. But you know, you've got to keep getting over these hurdles. When you're self-employed, your biggest enemy is your own mind, so you've got to keep conquering it. So anyway, not all jobs are stimulating, and towards the end this sort of did do me head in a bit. But anyway, the lady was a very nice lady, and she was pleased with it, and she loves her cats. So I was pleased in the end to do the job for her. Yeah, it was a good day. It was a sunny day, and it was a lovely area. Yeah, got to chat to people in the car park over the wall. So yeah, anyway, hopefully it's something that you're interested in watching. Okay, thanks.
What are their names?
Vesper.
Jasper.
Hello, son. Boy.
And that's Jem, who was going to be Jemima, and then we found out he was a boy. So he's Jem Jeffrey.
Two boys. Or one trans.
Yeah, he's our trans cat. Because look, he's too pretty to be a boy, isn't he, really? So.
Hello, boy. Are they...
This video demonstrates how to install a Protect-A-Pet cat fence barrier to an existing fence. All the kits come in multiples of 10, 20 and 30 metres. Each cat fence barrier kit includes 2 corner adapters, though you may want to order more depending on your garden layout. Enough brackets for the specified length.
It's not that bad. It's well built. Yeah. One or two loose ones.
When I came, I just saw this hammer over the top of the wall.
Oh yeah,
I thought somebody was trying to get out.
yeah. No, well, I'm being held hostage. Cheers, mate.